I'm going to scam her and switch this out. Let's put this.
Let's get revenge. I'm going to put this really common fidget.
What is this? I got scammed. Fidget trade. Our stuff. I'll trade a rainbow poppet.
She put a rainbow poppet? Okay, I will add this poppet.
She put this cool poppet, but she needs to add.
She wants me to add? Fine. I'll add this spinning ball.
Okay, that seems like a good trade. I accept. Yeah, I got this poppet. And this spinning ball.
Yay, I got this cool rainbow poppet. I will trade my dumpling. It's a yellow one.
She added a dumpling. What should I put in? I'll trade my pink squishy iPhone. Charger. Actually, I have a better idea. I'm going to prank her and switch at the squishy for something else. Perfect.
I'm so excited. Let's open it. What the heck is this? I got scammed. I'm going to get revenge. Watch.
Let's open this now. Yellow. Maybe this. Or this. It's jumbo size, so we might get a good trade.
Let's get revenge and scam her. I'm going to pretend to trade a dumpling. She thinks she's going to get this. No, she isn't. I'm going to put this really common fidget.
Oh my God, a dumpling. She wants me to add, so it must be rare. Let's add a phone squishy. Let's open. That doesn't sound like a dumpling. No, she scammed me.
Yay! Now I have the phone squishy. Let's put this coconut oil squishy.
She put a coconut oil squishy. This is what I wanted. Let's give her a pink glitter dumpling. I love it.
Yay! It's so cute.
I'll put this Taba squishy.
And a blue glitter dumpling. Finally, an apple paper squishy.
Okay, she put a lot of stuff. I'll give her 3 mini dumplings. I'll also put a paper needle. Lastly, this. Wow! Taba squishy. Apple paper squishy.
Dumplings. Spinning poppet. Paper neato.
My collection.
My collection.
Subscribe if you want part 2.